Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. You go to place for all things tech. Today we've got a super useful tutorial for you. We're going to show you how to change your country in the Google Play Store in 2024. Whether you've recently moved or just want to access apps and content not available in your region, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First things first, grab your device and let's open up the Google Play Store. Once you're in, you'll need to tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. This is where your Google account info and settings are. Now tap on the settings, scroll down until you find the general section. And here tap on account and devices preferences. Alright, this is where things get interesting. If you're eligible to change your country, you'll see an option called country and profiles. Tap on it. Here you might see a country already listed under country and profiles. This is just based on your IP address and your current Play Store balance. If you want to add a new country, just tap on the Add Country option and follow the prompts. Remember, you can only change your country once a year, so make sure this is really what you want to do. I've already changed my country earlier, so I can't change it right now. Now Google will ask you to create a new payment profile. You'll need to enter some details like your new address and payment methods that's valid in the new country. Once you've filled in all the necessary info, hit continue and voila, you've successfully changed your country in the Google Play Store. And there you have it folks, that's how you change your country in the Google Play Store in 2024.